Emotions are important for a public speaker. Let's find out why. How do you feel when you listen to your favorite soundtrack? How do you feel when you're watching your favorite show on TV or your favorite movie? You are completely into the moment, right? You are completely into the present, like you forget everything else, what is going on in the rest of the world, right? Imagine that epic moment when you're surrounded by your loved ones. You feel like you feel excessive joy, excessive happiness, right? Recently, I was watching a small 5-minute speech of Priyanka Chopra. She talks about breaking the glass ceiling. I was just observing how many emotions did I feel. You go and watch that video and tell me how many emotions did you feel, right? So I felt inspired. I felt motivated. I felt that I can do anything in this world. And I was blown away by her personality, right? So there are moments when we feel a lot of emotion. Yes. So when you are preparing for your speech, it's not only important to be creative with respect to your content, your presentation, your structure of speech, but also how you deliver your thoughts with emotions. You need to appeal to the emotions of the audience. See you in the next video.